Hey everyone, Susie here from Adventurous Real Estate Investors. In this video, I'm going to talk about how to network as an introvert and also how to dominate your space in a space full of extroverts. But before I jump into this video, please, if you love Michael and I's content, make sure to smash the like button and subscribe to our channel. We don't want you to miss out on any of our goodness because we want to ensure your success. All right, though, let's get into it. So networking can be scary, but networking can also be fun. Find a way to make it fun for you. It was very, very scary for me. I did not enjoy introducing myself to people. I didn't enjoy talking in front of a group of people, even if that group of people only included 2 people. But now it's so much easier to do that. It'll become much, much easier for you. So networking allows you to access opportunities you might not have been able to find on your own, which is amazing, right? And networking isn't merely just exchange of information with others, just that random small talk. And it's certainly not about begging for favors. Networking is about establishing and nurturing long-term, mutually beneficial relationships with people that you meet. Networking will also help you develop and improve your skill set, stay on top of the latest trends in your industry, keep a pulse on your market, and meet potential mentors, partners, investors, vendors, and the list goes on and on and on. And you can gain access to necessary resources that will foster your development and your entrepreneurship career. So here is my escape plan tip number 5. So go to meetup.com and find in-person and virtual meetups to attend. Attempt some online first if you want the practice with this, because then you're in the comfort of your home, introducing yourself. It makes the space much easier. But with these virtual meetouts, when you're put into breakout rooms in Zoom, someone, most likely an extrovert, will be in there and start the conversation by introducing themselves. That takes one whole relief off. So once you feel comfortable, try an in-person meetup or get coffee with somebody that you met virtually, since that relationship has already been established. Also, honor the way that you recharge. If you need to step away from a networking event for a few minutes to recharge, do it. If you need a relaxing bath when you get home, do that as well. Build time in so that you can recharge or recover the way that suits you best, because then you'll feel much better going into those spaces. So something that my type A best friend from my MBA program did for me was that when we went to networking events, we would actually network together. She would end up starting the conversations and I would chime in, but eventually we kind of gamified it and gave each other goals. So if she was gonna start 3 conversations, I was gonna start 2. So just find somebody at first who can make the initial introduction for you and let a lot of that stress just melt away. Also, set reasonable intentions and expectations. You don't need to go in and talk to 25 people or give away 25 business cards. Making 1 or 2 meaningful connections may suit you better and make you more productive in the long run. And that's what matters the most. Here is a great quote by Zig Ziglar. You can have everything in life you want if you will just help enough other people to get what they want. And that's definitely what networking does. Exchanging all of that great information can get you into that space. So I hope that you found value from this video, and don't forget to stay tuned for the remaining 5 videos that will follow. So until next time, explore more. Adventure awaits. Woo!